Hello there, I'm Alexander from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm at home and I'm going to be styling some hair with you today. Today I'm going to be styling a wig called Alexandra. Now this is Alexandra here. This is from the Alexander Couture Collection and this is in Crimson LR. So LR stands for a long root and the crimson, as you can see, is that gorgeous red ombre kind of shade. So I'm going to do some hairstyling with you today and I'm going to address something which comes up quite often, you know. Often people are saying, Alex, you know, the styles are beautiful, they're gorgeous, but is there anything that I could do if I was in a real rush and I needed to do something immediately with things that are lying around the house? So what I'm going to teach you, I'm going to teach you how to create a bun with things that are lying around the house. So, what have I got? I've got an old kid's sock. Okay, it is clean. This is my daughter's sock. Okay, now I don't know where the other one is, so this one I'm sure will be fine. So I'm just going to cut the end of the sock. So I end up with the bottom gone. Okay, and then I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the sock into something like this. So that's the sock. So get that out of the way and then I'm going to teach you a very quick, interesting, cool little bun. So we're going to start nice and low. Okay, and that way, if you go with a low pony, it's nice and quick. You're just putting it in at the bottom. So let's go with a nice low pony. I'm going to use a black hair elastic. So in a moment, I'm going to bring our young lady a little bit closer forward. Bring myself out of shot a bit more. So excuse me, just so you can see what we've got here. Okay. And then I'm going to take the old sock and then the old sock will go on there like so. One piece of hair and I'm going to twist that into a kind of, so it looks a bit like a rope. So that goes in like a little bit of a rope. And grip that into where the sock is. And choose which way you want to work around, if you want to go clockwise or anti-clockwise. And what we're trying to do is just create these twists. Twist it, grip it, twist it and grip it like so. It goes all around the sock. Now, twist the other way. Now, and lay those pieces of hair over the other side. I have these firm pins which I'm not going to leave in the style. I'm just going to use to secure. cream. It's in. See? Beautiful effect. And again, you know, this is just what you had lying around the house. You've got to imagine you're in a rush. You've been invited to something that you can't miss last minute and you want a really nice hairstyle and you want to do something quick and beautiful. And I think this is really something. Now I'm not leaving those red pieces in, I just wanted them because they're firm pins. So, thank you everybody, you've been watching me, Alexander Turnbull, and this is Alexandra in Crimson LR, which stands for a long route. So today I've been doing my take on a chignon using a kid's sock as the base, which was quite a novel idea, but I'd like to see if you guys try it at home. Please send us some pictures. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Remember to follow us on all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.